Hello, dear students. In our sources of food chapter, we have done our exercise up to the D sections. Now I am solving the exercise further, starting with E. That is your short answer question. So I am telling you the answer to first question. Why do we need food? We need food for energy, growth, and maintenance of the body. So these are the three reasons particularly: for growth, for maintaining, keeping it away from the disease, and energy. These are the two particularly. Second, what are edible parts? So edible parts, eatable parts, mean to say you can eat. Eatable parts are called edible parts. Okay. Give name of the plant whose edible part is seed. So you can take example mushroom, maize. These are the particular wheat. These are different crops whose seeds are used as the edible part. Okay. Now third, honeybees work hard to collect nectar from flowers. Now he has asked the question in A and B part. So where is this nectar stored? They stored nectar in their hives. Second, what value do you learn from the honeybees? Honeybees have great importance to human because they produce honey which is used as Ayurvedic medicine. Okay. Now fourth, how can food problem be solved? Give two ways. So first way, do not spoil food. Do not spoil food. Second, grow more food. So these are the two different methods how you can food problem be solved. Fifth, how are scavenger and decomposers are useful to us? Because they help in cleaning of earth. Okay. Now sixth, what is food chain? So food chain is link of organisms showing eating and being eaten by. That is termed as your food chain. So now he asked about give one example. So you know that grass is eaten by deer and then deer is eaten by lion. So this is a food chain particularly. Okay, simple one. Now the next question is F part particularly, in which he asked how will you sprout seeds. So there is an activity also given. I am writing down that in steps, that following steps. By following steps we can sprout seeds. First step, take water in beaker and put some seeds. Second, leave it for one day and then take them out and put in a cotton cloth. Okay. Third step, put the cotton cloth as it is for 1 day more, and you will get next day sprouted seeds. Okay, this is the how we will sprout seeds particularly. Now F, second question, it's a given a distinguish, differentiate you have to go, and two parts are there, A and B. So first you will is herbivores and second is telling carnivores. So you have to differentiate them. So first point of difference will be that they eat plants and plants product only. First, for the carnivores, while they eat flesh, or you can call meat only. The next difference you can tell on the basis of the example, that they are particularly deer, sheep, cow are the example of herbivores, while lion, vultures, tiger, they are example of
vulture.
Why? Vulture also given. Scavengers it is, but it is given in the that one also. Okay, so that is particularly carnivores. Okay, now B part, he is asked the difference between the scavenger and decomposers. Scavengers and decomposers. So first difference you will give on the basis of the definition. The scavengers, they eat dead animals, particularly dead animals. Okay, while the first decomposers, they eat on dead plants. These are the decomposers particularly. Second, you will give example of scavengers, that is your vultures is the example of scavengers, while for these one are fungi and bacteria is the example for this one. Okay, so this is your second question for F part, whose A section and B sections are completely solved. Now your homework is to G part, that is your HOTS. Second thing, you will perform the activity at your home which is given. Third thing, there is a crossword puzzle. Is given. You have to solve that one. Okay, so 3 questions you have for today as a homework, HW. Okay, G, HOTS, activity and crossword puzzles. Okay, thank you.